Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI chatbots and interesting chatbots where you have different options available. So in this chatbots, we are going to explore with different templates, and also in one of the chatbot it has different types of characters. It is already available. So whatever the category or character you want, you can chat with that AI character. So it will generate better answers for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that interesting chatbots. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, and also we are going to obtain how to get a better results out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested to know basics of MATLAB, so here is a best opportunity to learn about MATLAB. So this is a workshop about basics to advanced applications in MATLAB. In this workshop, we are going to explore MATLAB environment, and also we are going to learn the basic syntax, 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and we are going to explore the different types of toolboxes in MATLAB. So that is neural network, fuzzy, ANFIS toolbox, and then we are going to tune PID controller for different application. So these are the important basic things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. Learn more about basics in MATLAB through our workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. Check it out. Here is a great opportunity for you to design EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So in this workshop, we are going to explore how to use renewable energy for EV charging station. So in that, we are going to take PV and wind energy as our sources, and then we are going to link it with EV charging station in MATLAB environment. And also we are going to explore different MPPT, that is maximum power point tracking algorithm in PV and wind energy sources to grasp maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources and make efficient use of this energy into EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. The first AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Droxy AI. So it is a AI powered chatbot. So in this you can have a GPT 3.5 turbo powered that is chatbot. So here also you will be having different options like GPT 4, Claude 2, Llama 2. So this will be upgraded as soon as possible. So here you can see if you want GPT 4, you have to go for upgrade plan, or else if you are satisfied with GPT 3.5 content, so you can make use of GPT 3.5 turbo content. So make a note of this AI tool. So Cloud 2 and Llama will be updated shortly, and this will be a different approach rather than using ChatGPT. So it will give different answers. So it will be available soon. So let us explore now with GPT 3.5. So we will give some research prompts. So let us see how this Droxy chat will generate content from ChatGPT. So in this I am going to give generate an abstract on design of electric vehicle charging station powered by renewable energy sources in about 200 words. So let us see how this Droxy chat will generate. So here you can see the content is started to generate. So firstly, the charging station should have sufficient number of charging points to cater multiple EV simultaneously. This ensures efficient and effective utilization of the station's resources and reduces waiting times for users. Secondly, the charging station should integrate renewable energy sources such as solar panels or wind to generate electricity. This ensures effective and efficient utilization of station resources and reduces waiting time for users. So like that it has generated the content. So overall an abstract design of electric vehicle, like that it has generated the content. So it has a just a common content. So you will be having a question, so it will be generated from ChatGPT only. So it will be a common content as you have did in all AI tools. So not like that, every chatbot will be have its own prompts. So every chatbot has trained with the different own prompts. So it will generate, it won't generate the same content it generate in ChatGPT. So it will surely it will generate a different content only. So you must explore the different chatbots for different content. So not every chatbot can generate unique content. So this is my suggestion. So next we will explore with some references whether it will generate literature review or not. So in that I have taken a random paper. So in this I am going to copy 3 references. So copy the 3 references, go to Droxy chat and paste that one. So I am going to give you a prompt like that. From the above reference paper, write a literature review with proper citation of the paper. So like that you can give input prompt. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see it is not trained well. Generating a literature review requires a thorough analysis and understanding of the content with the papers, which is beyond my capabilities as AI assistant, and recommend the reviewing the papers yourself and extracting relevant information to create a literature review. So like that it has generated. So you can't automate anything using this Droxy chat. So you can generate only the content. So from that content you can make use of this content to obtain a better results for your research paper. So like that it is still in training process. So make a note of it. It will be one of the better option where you can use 3 types of chatbots, that is 3 types of chatbot databases, that is GPT, and you can see cloud and its llama. So this is all about this Droxy AI. So it is for free, so you can explore and generate common content very easily. So it is a free AI tool. So next AI tool what we are going to discuss is that, so this is called chatfai AI. So it is a AI tool. So in this AI tool you will be having different characters. So here you can see these are the different categories available. So voice enabled AI assistants, so book, cartoon, comic, education, game, history, other, real person, religion, TV sources and movies. So like that it will be having different person. So for example I am going to click AI assistants. So here you can see different categories will be generated. So this is a common thing, that is ChatGPT. So I am going to click ChatGPT. So here you can give anything you want. So as like in all other AI tools, so you can give a input prompt. For example, say click on start chat. So here you can type your message. For example, say I am going to ask the same thing, generate an abstract for the paper titled Design of Electric Vehicle Charging Station using renewable energy. So I am going to give renewable energy in about 200 words. So I am going to give the same prompt here. So let us see how it will works out. This chatbot, so the same GPT trained chatbot. So here you can see the abstract is generated. So this is the title. So this will give you better results when compared with that particular Droxy AI we have discussed before. So here you can see design of electric vehicle charging station using renewable energy for sustainable transportation. This paper presents a comprehensive design framework for electric vehicle charging station powered by renewable energy sources, aiming to promote sustainable transportation. The rapid growth of EV adoption necessitates the development of efficient and environmentally friendly charging infrastructure. our research begins with the in-depth analysis of various renewable energy sources. So and then it will generate a better content only. So like that you can make use of this ChatGPT chatbot, or else you will be having different characters. For example, I have given AI assistance. So here you can see mom, so it is chat like a mom. So next chat of AI librarian, so it will give what are the different data from the databases of chat of AI, it will generate a content. Next therapist bot, ethical dilemma generator. Next one is click on load more. So the editor, passive aggressive gift bot, mumble, bluebird. So here permissive role player narrator, girlfriend, dad, Japanese mom. So like that it will generate different characters. Here you can see different characters. So this is out of our content. So we go to education. So in this education you can see different options. Indian mom, snackly, English quiz, brain teaser battles, trivia master, interview preparation. So click on load more. So that's it from education. So apart from this you can see this is the recent things, Maximus, or else you can go on this option, that is there is categories option. So and then you can click for example, say if you want to know about history, you can click. So after that if you want to chat with a real person, click on real person. So it will generate that is real person character. So after apart from this it will be having religion, TV shows and movies. So like that it will most of it will be having entertainment related that is characters. So as far as research is concerned, you can use this ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT, and that is chatfai librarian. So and then you can go with your teacher like that, the thing which is related with education. So you can go on and check the characters if it is available. So you can chat with the character, it will generate a better content for your input prompt you are giving. So this is all about this chat of AI. These two AI tools are for free, so you can avail that is many content using this chat of AI and Droxy AI. So these two chatbots will be generate unique contents. So as far as Droxy AI is concerned, so it still has to be trained. So make use of this option, go on and explore these two chatbots and make your research paper writing content easy and simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.